Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video, we will see that how you can join someone on Roblox without being friends in just few easy steps. So let's begin. Firstly, open Roblox and as you can see, I'm already signed in with the account and search for the user you want to play with. So for example, this is the user I want to play with. And as you can see the add friend button. So we are not friends. So what you need to do is open new tab and you search here Chrome Web Store and you will be going to this website and just search for this rose searcher extension. So just press the rose searcher and click the add to Chrome. So you have already added this extension to your Google account. So just go simply back on your Roblox account and open this account. So just simply refresh it. And once you refresh it, your page, you will be able to see this join option. So that's how you can join someone on Roblox without being friends. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!